Over the years, Casio have released many watches, and they've also, with those watches, released many different styles of boxes. There's the Casio G-Shock box, the imported Casio G-Shock box, the Casio Vintage box, the Casio Edifice box, the standard Casio box, and the imported Casio box. But look at this. This is an absolute monster. Big box. Must be a big watch inside. It's time to open it up. Good evening. Welcome to another Casio watch review. It's nighttime, my first nighttime video. I've set the mood with some ambient lighting in the background, lovely little shade of pink, a triple candle, a lava lamp. That's all you need, really. And a large Casio box. It's the biggest Casio box I've seen that's a non-G-Shock, so it's a pretty special watch inside. And it is the WV-59RD-1AEF. I purchased this a few weeks ago, actually probably a month ago or so now. Haven't even opened it yet, been dying to open it. Just haven't really had time lately to do any reviews, but very excited about this one. Let's open it up and take a look inside. Okie dokie. Let's get straight on with it. Oh, wow. Nice. Nice little tin. Look at this. This has got to be a first for me, this. Non-G-Shock Casio in a tin. Superb. There might be others, but this is my first. Nice little tin, that. Big box. Instructions inside. I bought this brand new. This is brand spanking new, this one, off of Amazon. Cost me £60. And I think I'm going to love this thing. Let's open it up. Pull the little tin off. Spongy bit. Oh, it's got a little card protector there. I have been looking at this watch for ages, so I can't believe I finally got one. It's a real beautiful watch. Let's take the sponge out. Take it out of its plastic. There we go. Nice. Look at that. Wave scepter. Beautiful. Little tag. It's got a lot of protection on it. A lot of plastic protection. As you would normally expect from, you know, quite a premium watch. So I'm quite impressed that this little Casio Wave Scepter has got a lot of protection on it. It did have a screen protector on it, but I believe I've just pulled it off as I've taken this off. But there we go. Great looking watch. Just a little close up there. Superb. Love this little bottom thing. I've seen some other reviews and people seem to think that the receiver is in there because this does have atomic clock. This is an atomic clock, has atomic time, and yeah, basically takes its time from all the masts around the globe. Nice. Really pleased with it. It's bigger than I thought it would be, actually. I thought it'd be quite a small watch, but it's a bit of a beast. Nice buttons on the side. Let's give them a little click. Huge numbers. If you are sight impaired, this is the watch for you, possibly. Multi-band 5. Lovely. It's great. Okay, let's take some of this plastic off because it is everywhere. Oh yeah, that's satisfying. Oh. Bit there. That was much more satisfying than it looked. Wow, there's just packaging all over this thing. Some card through here, paper through there. Wow. God, it's on the inside as well. Okay, I'm going to take this off and I'll be back. I'll be back shortly. There's so much packaging on this thing. See you in a second. We are back. Casio went to some extreme efforts to protect this watch from any danger. There was the most amount of packaging I've ever seen on any watch, actually, other than my Seiko that I bought, which was really, really packaged up. But this thing, wow, great lengths to protect it. Fair play, Casio. So here we go. Beautiful looking watch. The watch itself... this thing's very light, by the way. It weighs nothing. It really is weightless. I think it weighs about 80 grams. So, yeah, that would suggest it's pretty light. The strap, I don't know about the steel strap. I don't know. It doesn't feel premium. Obviously, this is a £60 watch, but I would say it's very light. And yeah, I'm going to have to get some links taken out of this before I can even wear it properly. So yeah, other than that, really surprised by the weight of this thing. You'd think it would be quite heavy and chunky, but actually it's pretty good. Okay, let's try it on. There we go. It's on. Little bit loose. Probably going to need a few links taken out of this. But look at that. Superb. Really light. Very retro, very cool looking. Love the rectangular shape of this watch. I think it's going to be one of my favorites to wear. But I will be getting some links taken out of it tomorrow. If you're thinking about buying this watch, I would highly recommend this. Looks wise, I'd score this a solid 8. I think it's fantastic. The screen sticks up a little bit though. That's my only little gripe with it. Don't know if you can see that. It does sort of protrude quite a bit. So it's going to probably be prone to scratching, I would think. But as with all my watches, I'll probably take pretty good care of it. Okay, let's have a little look at this little backlight. Okay, people, darkest room in the house. Let's have a little go. Oh yeah. Nice and clear. Huge numbers on this watch. Really cool. Now, online, I've seen some people have a blue light. So I'm a little bit confused why this one's orange. Maybe different batches. Or maybe it's different colour, depending on where you live in the world. But pretty impressed with this. Very clear. Does what it says. Nice. Okay, folks. Well, that was this superb Casio on the wrist and the backlight test. Just give you a few little close-up. Bit of writing on the back there. Just has that kind of multi-band logo that you associate with atomic time. Really pleased with this. I think for the money, it's pretty good. £60. It's kind of a mid-range watch, I would say. It's not a premium watch, but I would say it's pretty fairly priced, I think. I think it's great. Very clear display, big buttons, big numbers. It's just a big personality, this watch, and I can't wait to get some links taken out of it and wear it as soon as I can. And also, we are almost at 500 subscribers. I think we're at about 470 now. So that is awesome. Just want to thank everyone for that. And hopefully in the next couple of weeks, we'll be at 500, which is a real milestone. And yeah, just thanks again for that, really. Okay, so might not see you for a little while for the reviews. I have nothing's sort of caught my eye recently to want to actually purchase my next watch. And you know what it's like, watch collecting. Either you're buying watches frantically or you're not really buying any. So at the moment, haven't really bought any. But who knows? Something catches my eye, I'll make a little purchase. But other than that, check out my shorts. I've kind of keep making shorts now, short videos. And they're pretty fun to make. And yeah, people can watch those as they please. Yeah, well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the first nighttime video. I don't think it looks too bad. The lighting, yeah, it's pretty crisp. And I think I'll probably do another one. Hope to see you all soon. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later.